Hi, I'm Margie with USAccentImprovement.com, and today we're going to go over some short vowel sounds. I've had a lot of students ask me to do this, so here we go. We have A, E, I, O, U, and all of those letters have different sounds from each other and even amongst itself. So the first letter we're going to do is the I, the short I, which is an I sound. So there's three areas of my jaw I want to work on. The short I is real tight. I. I don't move my lips really anywhere. I just drop my jaw just a little bit. I. The next letter is a short E, and I'm gonna open my jaw up a little bit and then go a little broader for the eh. Eh. So I have an I, like is, in, it, his, and the short letter E, which is eh. Think, said, head, eh, elephant, elephant. The last one is an A. So I'm going to drop a little bit more and go a little more broad for the, I call it the ugly A. So it's an ah, ah. So we have I, eh, ah, like bad, black, at, sat. So I'm going to go over some words just for these three right now, and then we'll get to the U and the O. Okay, so hold on just a second. Let me open that one, if I can read it without my glasses on. Okay, the short vowel I. Here we go. Here's some words. Bib, crib, sit, lip, tip, whip. Then TR is a little different. It's like a CH, trip, kid, six, children, iteration. The R stretches on that. Iteration, immersion, fascination, fasten, edit, sister, in fashion. Okay, so here's the E. Eh. Said, wed, men, memory. Because sometimes we decide to just drop a consonant. No, not a consonant, a syllable. Sometimes we drop a syllable. So instead of memory, we're going to go memory, memory. When, bread, technical, elephant, lesson, emphasis, temporary, bench, edit, 12, send, again, yes. And the short A, the ugly A, ah, black, cat, sat, mat, hat, pack, travel, ran. Sounds a little different. Ran, maybe because of the N. Band, dance, apple, absence, absolutely, ant. And we use ant, A-N-T, for the same sound as A-U-N-T, like my aunt and uncle. They have the same sound. Pasture, master. Now, for the short U, that's like up in this area. I feel it like if someone were to hit me in my stomach, it'd make this sound. So for instance, ugly, but, cut, dumb, thumb, punt, fun, done, one, sun, come, company, money, tummy, like my stomach, bug, Monday, Sunday, tumble, bubble. So I look at the short U as right around the short E, eh, buh, buh. So I'm really not going that much further. Buh, buh, buh. So there's that sound. And then the O, the short O, one of the sounds for the short O is ah, opera. You can sing. So opera. Here we go. Box, fox, shot, not, bomb, bot, clot, clod, blob, sob, top, hot, lot, mom, follow, Scott, job. So you can follow along with the document that you get in class, and hopefully that will help being able to see it, hear it. So really, if you have any questions, you need some more explanation, let me know. One of the things you can do that might help you to compare is look in your phone for the audio or the microphone, and then tape yourself, and then go back and listen and compare what you're doing to what I'm doing, and then we can go over it in class and try to work on it some more if we need to. But I think this should help. All right, thank you so much. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.